Hey y'all, so in this video I'm going to show y'all how to do makeup on a budget. So I went to Dollar Tree and I got a few things. I tried to spend less than $10 because I wasn't going to spend more than $10 on a YouTube video. Okay, so I got this eyeshadow. It is LA Colors. And then Sassy Chick foundation, which I'm probably the scaredest to use. Then bronzer. This eyeshadow, oh there you go, eyeshadow powder, eyeliner, and I got something else, okay, and this red lipstick. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with the foundation. Okay, I hope I got the right color. There was only 3 colors to get, so I got the medium, I think. Okay, so I wet my beauty blender. This might be too light, but we'll see. Oh, maybe not. Okay, it looks like paint. Okay. You never know, this might be my favorite foundation from now on. Okay. Feels okay for now. I didn't buy any setting powder or primer or anything, so we will try another video with that on. Okay. It covers pretty well. It's not that bad, honestly. I think I wet my beauty blender too much, so my face feels really wet. Okay, and I think I got the right color. So for now, everything is good. Okay, so we're done foundation. Looks good for now. I'm gonna put eyeshadow on now. So let's open this. Okay, so I got these 3 colors. It's kind of like a lavender color, kind of. Oh my goodness, there's scotch tape on it too. I would not be able to open this thing. Yes. I literally can't. Oh, there you go, got it. Okay. I didn't realize how light these colors are, so we will see how this goes. I'm gonna start with the middle color, and I'm just gonna get this kind of bigger brush, cut the excess off, and just go in the crease. And we go in circular motions towards the middle. Okay. Doesn't look that bad. I would have used a darker color right there, but it's all good. The only thing I don't like about this palette is it's not really pigmented at all. I don't know even if y'all can see it. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna use this shimmery color, and I'm just gonna put it on the eyelid. And I'm gonna use this sponge brush. This is actually a really pretty color. I don't think I would have normally put these two colors together, those two, but it's the palette I got, so we'll see how it looks at the end. Okay. Okay, after this, I'm gonna put eyeliner on. I got like this pencil eyeliner because I think it'll work more. So let's see. I'm just gonna start right there. This is just kind of just like a normal eyeliner pencil, so nothing weird. Since I have a pencil and not eyeliner, a pencil and not liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna actually put it like in my eyelid too to make it look a little thicker. And then later on when I put the powder under, I'm gonna put it under my eye too. Okay, let's do this eye. I'm kind of scared about the eyebrows because I don't really use powder for my eyebrows, but we'll see how it looks. Okay, so now we're gonna do eyebrows. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna be using the darker shade, and it comes with a little brush like this that I'm gonna be using. So I'm gonna start, I guess, from the middle and then work my way back. Okay. The color is fine. I would have got a smaller brush, like I put a smaller brush in it, because it's kind of thick, at least for the end part of my eyebrows. But it'll do. Okay.
What we do here is go back.
I'm still gonna be using an eyebrow brush. It doesn't look that bad. Honestly, it looks like my normal eyebrow. Okay, let's just do the other one. Okay, now that we're done the eyebrows, all I have left is eyeshadow for under my eyes, which I'm gonna be using the same color I used in the crease. So, and I'm gonna be using my brush to do this. I'm just gonna use a fluffy little brush and flatten it out with my nail, and then do it like that. Okay. Sometimes I put the shimmery color under here too, but I'm not gonna do that this time because I feel like they don't match the best. So I'm just gonna go with the lavender looking one. Okay. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner under my eye. Okay, now I don't have any mascara, so we'll skip that. I actually bought fake lashes, but they didn't look good, so I'm not gonna do that. Now, for lipstick, I'm using the Color Mates, and it's kind of like a reddish color. Kenzie, I think I need hand support. Yes. Here's Mackenzie, my roommate.
Hello.
Soon not to be.
That's so cute.
Maybe not.
That makes me sad.
Thank you. It's all good. It's all good. It's
It's
just
okay, I'll
a
grab
Dollar
it.
Tree pencil. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so it came with the pencil. But I don't know why they put this one in, because it's not even like the same color. It's like brown. So I'm not going to be using that. I'm just going to use this red color. Yeah, it actually is. I like it. Okay. Hi, I am back 1 hour later, and honestly, it looks good. I ate a cookie and drank some water, and the lipstick is still on, so yep. So I'm here 5 hours later, and obviously there's no more lipstick. And the foundation is okay. I think it would have looked better if I put primer and setting powder and like powder foundation. But my eyebrows are fine, eyeshadow still on, eyeliner's still on too. I cheated and I put mascara on, but whatever. And I actually forgot to use bronzer. So this is not too bad of a look for under $10. I hope y'all will try it out. Watching my video, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and for my next video, I'll be in New York, so you will want to watch it.